Hey folks, welcome back to Vidhya's Vegetarian Kitchen. As a part of the Navratri Golu series, today I'm going to show you how I'm going to set up my dolls and everything. Here are the 5 boxes with dolls, and for the 5th step I'm planning to use this plastic shelf. Like I have one of these shelves in my closet, so I just took one shelf and I'm gonna just keep it like this for the 5th one. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's begin. So that's it. This saree setup is done. You can do it however you prefer. There is no set rules for this. So I have just decorated it this way. Now I'm just going to remove all the dolls and keep it. So here are the 2 Marapachi Bomais. These are from my grandma's. As I have a lot of dolls and all these vegetables, I'm going to move my Ashtalakshmi set also here. So I'll just look it up for some time and then I might rearrange some dolls here and there before tomorrow. But other than that, yeah, this is the initial setup, and there I'll be keeping the color sum and tomorrow I'll keep the Marapachi Bommai straight as like they are standing. So yeah, this is the basic Golu setup, and I hope you all liked it, enjoyed watching this video. I know it's like kind of a fast video, but yeah, thank you.